all here?
Yes.
Everybody is here?
Yeah. Just go ahead.
Okay, welcome. Okay.
Yeah,
welcome to Assin Manso.
Thank you.
Yes. This is a heritage site, a site of conscience. So when you come here, we feel you have to get all that you need. This is the political map of Ghana. My brother knows it. When you look at it, you say, Ghana is very small or something like that, or Togo is smaller than that. But in those days, it would have been as wide as US, because you have to walk all that distance, either from Burkina Faso, even sometimes from Senegal, to the Gold Coast, through Elmina or Cape Coast Castle, before going to Haiti or before going to Jamaica or the Caribbean. Now, why at all did this happen? We know it. You learned it in your history over there, that the white came here just because there was something happening there, and then they wanted, our friends from Portugal, they were seafarers, and because the Seljuk text and the Ottoman text blocked their sea route. That is what you have to know first, that they blocked the sea route to India. So this is the world map. I know you have done that over there, but this place is the shortest place to go to India. But because of the Seljuk text blocking this place, why did they block this place at all? Because of the fight between the Christians and the Muslims. That is what we call the crusade. So if they cannot pass here, then they have to pass another route to India. So as they were coming, they said, no, when we are going, let us go and spread Christianity. So they came with their Bibles or scrolls or whatever they were called, and when they were coming, they landed in Elmina to refresh themselves, to get some fresh water. And lo and behold, when they saw the fresh, thank you very much, when they saw the fresh water, and then they saw the gold, they said, there is gold here, we are going to trade with them. So they came to find route to India, to bring Christianity, and then trade. That has led, and if you go through your history, you see how they have kept long in South Africa. In the west coast of Ghana alone, we had 52 forts and castles. That shows how lucrative the trade was. And almost the whole of Europe was involved in it. And the Dutch occupied Elmina for more than 2 centuries, where they have put up a big church. And there was a priest there. But all that happened has passed. We are now going to the Slave River to see the atrocities that was caused in Africa before our great-grandparents went to Jamaica or Caribbean. Thank you very much. Akwabao Yaja. Thank you. Let's go. Where we are going to walk now was not like this. It was a hunter's trail before it became a track. You see, in Ghana in those days, before you put up a town, the fetish priest will first go, the hunter will go first, find out the place, whether it was conducive. The fetish priest will come and see whether there were no evil spirits before the chief will come to settle there with the stool at the back of the queen mother. The stool is starting very slow. Put it at the back, tie it, come back and then settle. Let's go. So where we are going now was a hunter's trail, but now you have got the chance to walk into that place without seeing any snake or wild animal. Let's go.